Welcome to javainterviewquestions.com. Today we'll see one important interview question. What is hash code? Purpose of hash code? How can we retrieve hash code of an object? And how to generate hash code of an object? Uh, Today we'll see all these questions and how hash code is so important in Java. So first we'll see what is an hash code. How we'll get hash code. Hash code is nothing but it's an integer. Hash code is nothing but it's an integer which represents the internal address of an object. So hash code is an integer which represents internal address of object. If you see this definition, which is taken from Java docs, hash code is an integer which represents internal state or internal address of the object. As hash code represents internal address of object, hash code differs from one object to the another object. I repeat once again. As hash code represents internal address of object, hash code differs from one object to another object. Hash code differs from one object to another object. Next, hash code acts like an identity for an object. So I repeat once again, hash code acts like an identity for an object. So these are the definitions, or these are the important points about the hash code. Now we'll see the purpose of hash code, or when hash code of an object is used. Purpose of hash code. Purpose of hash code. And coming to the purpose of hash code, mainly hash code is used to store, remove and search an object in set and hash map. I repeat once again, it is used to store, remove and search object in set and map objects, in set and map collection objects. Hash code is used to store, remove in search in set and map collections. Set and map collections. Example, I can name hash set and hash map. If you take hash set and hash map, both hash set and hash map internally works on the principle of hashing, and hash code is very important for both these hash set and hash map collections. And next is, this is the purpose of hash code, and how can we retrieve hash code of an object? How can we retrieve hash code of an object? How to retrieve hash code of an object? See, in object class we have a method called hash code method, which is used to get the hash code. I repeat once again, in object class we have a method called hash code which returns an integer value. Int hash code. In object class we have a method called hash code which returns an integer value. This is how we retrieve hash code of an object. and this hash code method is defined in object class, which is a super class for all the classes in Java. And the last one is how to generate hash code of an object. How to generate hash code of an object. By default, Java will generate hash code for our object, but if we want to generate a hash code for an object, we need to override hash code method. To generate hash code of object, we need to override hash code method in object class. So what we need to do is we need to override hash code method in the object class to generate or to write custom hash code for our object. Hope you understand this video on hash code. Thanks for watching this video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my videos.